Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and I'm so excited that you are watching, and I'm so excited to go on this journey with you. Today, we are, drumroll, we are looking at my Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited to show you what's inside. It's the Fabfitfun spring box. So we're not doing any makeup looks. If you would like to see these makeup looks and what's on my face right now, I'll post everything I'm wearing down below and on my Instagram and social media so you can know. I also got my braids done by Keely Braids. Check her out. It's on my Instagram. She is awesome. I will promote her so much. She's so great. Not only is she great at braids, but when you're getting your braids done or your hair done with her, it's just such easy conversation, and just I loved the conversation I had with her as well. So check out if you really like my braids. These are all extensions, so if you can see my hair is pretty long. I'll kind of stand up. My hair is pretty long, but it only stops right here, and then these are all extensions. So, and then she has extensions coming up here, but I tried to match my hair for the most part. So yeah, so if you like these, check out Keely Braids. I tagged her in my Instagram, so go check her out. Well, enough about my hair, even though I love it. Let's get into this Fabfitfun box and see what's inside. Alrighty, so we are here. We are going to look at the Fabfitfun box. So let's open it. I'm just gonna open it and I'm gonna take out what's inside. It's nothing special. I do actually like the Fabfitfun box. You can open it. It's just I keep the boxes, to be honest, and I use it to store stuff. I'm such a pack rat, but I do keep some of the boxes. So here we go. It just opens, and as I'm opening it, there is a Cook Fresh Hello Star, just 50% off. They usually do something with food and something, so $50 off. I haven't used one, but I should. And then they always give you this kind of magazine. It's their magazine, and it has how much everything is normally priced, but it'll pop up on me or I'll let you guys know. But usually these boxes are worth $200 to $300, and you're paying $54 every season. So it's a really good deal. I'm really happy about it. So let's open what else we have in here, and let's see what we have. Alrighty, so let me just show you what it looks like. I kind of opened it, but it looks like this. Kind of ripped it already, and then you open the packaging, and then they package it super nicely, so you can already see kind of what's in my box. But I'm just gonna take out products for you. Nothing special about how I'm taking it out. So it looks like we have a little mask here. So it's from Free People. Yeah. With love from Texas. So it looks like at Texas, at Free People, if you want to follow them. Let's open it. I'm not going to try anything on, but I'm very excited. Can you see this? And I believe it's inside is plastic, or oh no, it's for heat and cold. So I can probably put this in the freezer, and I can also probably put it in the microwave. Does it say that? Doesn't say anything, but I'm assuming you can. Oh, there's a little tag here that says cooling pack instructions. Yeah, cooler, or you can put it in, maybe you can't put it in the microwave. Don't put it in the microwave. Don't listen to me. Place cooling pack in freezer for no longer than 5 to 10 minutes. So it probably gets really cold, and then you just put it on your eyes for the swelling. I live in LA, and the weather is great, but the allergies, because of the stupid air, is horrible. So my allergies and my eyes get attacked. It's horrible. So this is probably really good for me. So I'm super excited to try. I will do a review after this video on all the products, but right now I'm just unboxing what I got. So that is that. I'm just gonna put that aside. Rachel Pally, I've heard of her, and it looks like it's it comes in a little, this is cute. I can even use this bag for something. I'm such a pack rat. My boyfriend's you keep everything, you have to throw things away. I'm I know. Ooh, this is cute. It looks like it's a little hand purse, and let's open it. And I really like the design. A lot of times with Fabfitfun, everyone gets different designs. So there's like 3 or 4 designs, or maybe 2, and everyone gets different ones. So sometimes you're like, oh, I like the other one better, but a lot of times you like what you get, because you're only paying $54 for it. But yeah, I like this one. I like the color. I like the peach and the teal. Ooh, and this is like huge inside. It's just, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just really big inside. And it has, I can't really show you, but it has like a pocket inside. So you can also put stuff, like there's like a pocket on the left side of it. And so you can put more stuff there if you want to separate certain stuff. Very cool. I really like this, and I love that it's like so compact and you can put so much. So this is so great. This is my favorite right now, actually. I don't know what this is. It looks like a little cottonelle bag or something. Oh, it has lips on it. I didn't even realize that. It has lips on it, but I thought it was like just an army, but it has lips on it. KNC Beauty. Oh, I've heard of them. They do like lips, which of course why they have lips on it. Okay, KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Ooh. So directions are: apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. Recommended. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Safe to use every day. So you can use this every day. It conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. All natural. No parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances. No animal testing. Awesome. So you basically just put this like on your lips. I'm just gonna talk like this the whole time. You put this on your lips like that, and then you just let it sit there. And I don't know really how this is. I'm assuming it's outlined like these lips, so I'm assuming it's just like those lips, and you put them on and they stick, and then you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is really, and they give you not just one, but they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They give you a good amount, because I don't think you can use it over and over again. So they give you a good amount. They give you a bang for your buck. So that's really cool. And what's really cool is like a lot of the times I've loved like their hair products, or even their lipsticks, or some of their like body lotions or hand creams that I've gotten in my boxes before. So when you run out, you just like, okay, I really like this product. And that's what Fabfitfun is for. And it's all big, like normal size products. It's not like testers. That's the thing I love about this. But you can go get more, and that's their thing, is like they want to sell you these products so that you can get into these companies and see more of these companies, and you know, invest more in these beauty companies. So now we have Murad, I've heard of that, Skin Perfecting Lotion. So I think it's just lotion, lightweight oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract. Ooh, I like that. I love honey on my face. Queen of Meadow, refined skin texture, while the Arnica, smooth skin for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. Massage evenly all over face, neck, and chest. Oh, you can put on your chest. It's like a face, neck, and chest type thing. Follow with the sunscreen. So a lot of these products too, if they're like dermatologist or like just face products, they usually have so much other lines to it. So let's just open it, since we're opening all the other products. Looks like this. Simple. Again, full size. And sunscreen, like they said, like use their sunscreen after. Sunscreen's always good to put on your face. It helps you not age as fast. Learn that fact. All right. This is just Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. I think sometimes Dove and like products that we see at like Target, they sometimes put their stuff in the box because they also want you to buy their stuff. I'm assuming this is full, like this is not the full size, but they're just trying to like show you and just promote it. Reveal smooth skin with new Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, exfoliating. In shower or bath, scoop a generous amount of body polish with hand, spread all over body in circular motion, follow with Dove body wash and Dove body bar. So yeah, this is a scrub, so you need to wash your body still. Don't just use this and think you washed your body, but this is a scrub that you can use, and body scrub is so great. Also face scrub is so great. So yep, this is really great. Awesome. Ooh, I can wear these to Coachella. These are going, I'm already packing my Coachella box. And so these are definitely going in my Coachella box after this video is done. Look at these. We're not going to open them. I don't want to open them. I mean, we can. We will open them. Ooh, I like these. I don't want to put them on my ears, but because I already have earrings on. But these will be so cute for Coachella. They're like little, I don't know if these are not everyday earrings, but they are very cute. So I'll wear these for Coachella most definitely. I'm getting my hair braided like this for Coachella, so that's why I tested this out to see how long it stands. I actually saw the girl, because she goes to my church, that did my hair, and she was like, wow, your hair actually looks really good. You've been really taking a great care of it. So she's like, sometimes if you don't take care of it, you'll just like, you know, you have to take care of it. You have to I put a do-rag on at night to sleep. My boyfriend laughs because it's like he sees me now with the do-rag when I'm gonna go to sleep, and he's like, okay. You know, I borrowed his too, which is hilarious. And then I put this like coconut oil type thing that she gave me, and then just to get the flyaways. The most thing is like getting these flyaways is the most thing I have to worry about, but like even the back of my hair stays really good. I'm starting to feel this kind of fallout, but my hair is heavy, and then the extensions add a heaviness to it, so no, this is gonna go out before anything else. So it usually lasts 5 to 7 days, but it's lasted Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's lasted 6 days now, so we'll see. I'm not gonna take it out until I have to, so all right. So those are the earrings for Coachella for sure. Ooh, okay, lip statement palette. Let's see. So it's called Ish. And then, oh, another little package it comes in. Very cute, very cute. I love black and gold, so that's already good there. Ooh, these colors are really nice. I'm not, sorry, this is like too big, but I can't really do anything about that. But the colors are super nice. There you go. There you go. So pretty. I definitely, you know me, I definitely will use a lot of the like nuder tones. I don't know. I'm actually wearing a pink lip gloss today, but those will be for special occasions. But I definitely like the nude shades, like the top row. I definitely like those. And they give you a little like applicator, which is nice, but I already have a lip applicator, but hey, I'll use theirs. So I'll give a little review with these ones, not of all the colors, but with some of the colors, just the application to see how it is on and everything. So that will be really good. I really like this. I haven't used a lot of lip palettes like that yet, so that will be fun to try. I'll do it in my next makeup tutorial with you guys. Alrighty, next thing we have, we're getting down, Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Huh. First peptide infused anti-aging, oh, nail treatment. I thought it was like concealer, like underneath your eyes. I don't know what this is though. Let's see, let's look. I don't know what this does. Makeover, I think this treats your nails. Green formula, DBP, that's a lot of, for my dyslexia, and toluene free. Apply 1 to 2 coats on natural nails as treatment or under polish as a base coat. So it's just treatment to make your nails stronger. So if you like have, like I have no polish on right now because I'm trying to let my nails grow out because I was getting a lot of like gel and everything like that, gel nails and stuff. So this is really great. I'm going to use this probably today. So I'll let you know how this is. And it looks like it's pretty clear. It has a little shine to it, but it looks like, you know, it's going to be pretty clear on your nails. So you can wear underneath too. You don't have to just wear it, but I probably will because I'm trying to grow out my nails and my nails have been looking yucky with nail polish because I'm trying to regrow them. Ooh, a candle. I always need more candles, even though I haven't used my candles yet, but it's a Super Bloom Basil Tangerine Leaf Violet Lily of the Valley Jasmine Rose Rosewood Cassia Musk. That's a lot of scent. Maybe this is just one scent. Sunset Collection. That's a lot of scent. Super Bloom. This is the Super Bloom number 14. And this is Anderson Lily. So that's the brand. I like the gold. It does smell very good. It smells like flowers and freshness. It's flowery, but it smells like good flowery. This is really pretty. I'm gonna put this like gold. It's like a rose gold. Put this on my desk. Shoot. I really like this. I really do. And last but not least, ooh, This is so great. You can use this like for anything. I have a roller, and then I have a roller that looks like this, but obviously it's flatter, and then I have a smaller roller used for my whole body, and then this is just like a pointy roller, so you can like use it like for your shoulders, your back. You can like, I can't really do that right now because my shoulders hurt, but like you can use it on your legs, like you can use it on anything. So this is really it's really good, but it's really firm, so like you need to be careful with how much you use this because it's very firm, but it'll be good to get out sore muscles. So this is really good. I need to use this massage roller. It's Physique 57. Use this massage roller after intense physical 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. So yeah, that is all in here. They gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. 10 products, if I counted that right. But come on. So this is really good. My favorite, you know, without trying anything, I would say the purse I really like, and the lip stuff I really like. Those are my favorite, and the earrings because I can wear them for Coachella and I don't have to purchase anything. So yeah, that is all. I hope you guys liked my unboxing of this, and if you want to see more videos, my next video, I don't know what it's gonna be, but it will be something. So if you have any suggestions of what you want me to do with a makeup look or anything, comment down below. I haven't done like eyebrows yet, or things like that, so maybe I'll do like an eyebrow or eyeliner look. So just shoot comments down below. Follow me on any social media. My social media is Ashley Danielle XOXO. Thank you so much for watching my video, and remember, you don't need makeup. Makeup is just something that's fun. That's why I do it, and it's just something that enhances your beauty, but you're already beautiful. You're already beautiful inside and out, and I will see you next week for maybe a review of some of these products and also a makeup look. Have a good one, and I will see you later. Subscribe down below.